In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links to a menu on WordPress.com. This entire process takes just a few minutes, and it's a simple but powerful way to improve your website's navigation. Whether you want to guide visitors to important pages or just make your site easier to explore, managing your menu is an essential skill. To begin, head over to WordPress.com. If you're not already logged in, click the Login button in the upper right corner. You'll see an option to continue with Google, which is the quickest way to sign in when you're already logged into your Google account. Just select the Google account connected to your WordPress site and you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the right-hand panel. You'll find several quick access options here. Click on Edit Site. This will take you directly into the customization area where you can control how your website looks and functions. While inside the site editor, click on your website preview. This lets you see your site in real time and make changes that update instantly. Now it's time to work on your menu. Click on your current menu to open it. This is where you can add new items, remove old ones, or reorder everything to improve navigation. At the top, you'll see an option called Link. Click on it to create new links or modify existing ones. If you want to edit a specific link, click the pencil icon next to it. This allows you to quickly update the link without disturbing the rest of your menu. Once you're in edit mode, you can paste a URL directly or use the search bar to find a specific page on your site. You can link to internal pages or external websites, whatever suits your needs. After adding or editing your links, remember to click Save. Saving is what makes your changes go live on your website. It's always a good idea to double check your menu afterward to make sure every link points to the right place. And that's it. A quick and effective way to add links to your WordPress menu. With this simple skill, you'll keep your site organized, clean, and user-friendly. Happy editing!